He say you're not going to oh man, not so far out. He say you're not going to oh yeah, well. He say you're not going to oh. I don't want to get. Hey, Abialele. He say you're not going to oh. What do they say so about us? Somebody can say. He say ye nak bota o. What about we fẹ́ gbọ́? Fẹ́ gbọ́. Igwe rabojo, igwe popo le we. Wa fẹ́ gbọ́. Igwe popo awe ogun gbera. Ogun gbera ru wa ku lo le bu sefi. Gba po ba be o kia. Ogun be sexy. Aseti o, ye ebi o asi. Wa share video na. Wa ya ti ya fere. Awa se wa mege problem re Nigeria e saga agbo wa ju wa bi ekwe me saga wa gbe o now I want to saga with you now we are mugu love utiegbo mugu love I want to saga with you he paid me so much I called you my mother in social media I want to call you I want to saga with you what dare you who you are people say supposed to sit down what to say wa we negbo men cause okuneo enegbe Obune is a dead person. You have to reason your life. See how many the reason. Now not feel reason. Now not feel reason. Now this one be the problem what they face for you for Europe so. You don't feel reason. Now the fight all they fight for Nigeria be this. Heaviness. Guys, I greet my viewers. See, I don't come here. You know, ever since what they start this thing for Nigeria, the process for Nigeria, we don't need anything saga. But right now, a lot of people have been calling me for saga. I need to answer una man. And not be picky we be say, if you call, you know if you answer you, ogwogbo full family where I not understand. How dare you? I make a video. I never finish for that video. And you don't get right, so you carry my video. Just carry my video. Then you they talk. Now my video, now you want to say they talk. Listen. I they talk to you, Mugu love. Now you are the talk to. You pay me say, me, Princess Avialele, worldwide, picking way be say, I too get level, not be say by a boost. I too go too much. I called you. They call you my own mother. You they fuck up. Where? Okbene vai soke zuo. Nana, they want to know a few things about you. For those where they never know. That thing where they never know. That time where they bring your tester come out from Nigeria. But now I want to bring your liver. Your Liverpool. I want to join out to that tester. I go the rhyme way. Are you stupid? You get fight for Nigeria. They do saga. Are you mad? Are you in a theater? Who were everyone the Buna left you? We may left you where I am, my sister. I run for you, mommy love. I run for you. We are going to say where mommy love you. Mugu love. I run for you. Do you know why? I run for you because Edo ya ekpitan we wale la zin here. Azin ati we. Wale la shawo here. Ashawa ati we gina. Una lelo man egbe ma ho here. Eva negbe ma ho ati we gina. I can never. Una not know the way I enter Europe. I no fit. Say I don't carry myself enter Europe. I can't follow bad friend they work. Am I stupid? Am I mad? Eh, that my video that content they fight people where you call your enemy. They are not your enemy. You now be the enemy where they kill yourself, my dear. I run for you because all the lies where you tell me. Later, okay. Everything can be la la. That is why that man sing and say Nigeria people. They too they talk. When I no get, I'll say I get some. Listen, I just say make this thing what they do so. Make Nigeria fair cool down first. All of una so na get passing. Una get enemy passport, red passport for Europe. Una wait so na buy ass. Hey, I buy ass. I have a ass. I'm do this. You bring your document of your ass. Post it. I will help you to share it. Useless people. I don't know all of una. All of una. The one that say I bad, I live bad, you be bad at me. We my grand way to a guy who get more le different place. Who get more le different place. I can do me where or walk bad or go away. And the worst part of it, the place you guys are living. Now God made they give una ass. Not be una they buy I bad. You know the meaning of I bad. For real. For real. You they do your video, they measure Prophet Atiti. Listen, you have to go beg that man. Because he don't they pay you now. I wait to remain. I wait to remain. Oh, dekunwe. Vega ni na te oni mu wakugbe. I wait to dekunwe. Walai wa resist because o ne resist. Igbagbo ma ho ni. O ne resist. O ma gbon. O me mi. Ijo. On me mi. Oh, ko ne resist. Agbon. Iruwe beti me vera me tie me. Ori tie me. Owe. O me sete soni oni gugun. Na for real. E sete soni agugwan. Ori sunuje mugu love. Ina wo okay na oko na ni me wa di with the live video. Era moze. Prophet Atiti. Ozegi me forget a life way. Ina dorie weba mokoko. Imeri weba mokoko. You are not the one that take me. I am the one that take you. And I true with you. I dump you, my dear sister. I dump you because I know if you follow person where you had no correct the waka. Am I stupid? Person know the reason why I know if you follow on the waka. See war for your country. You are there making saga for real. Open. Guys, hold on. Who is that? Ross. Yeah, thank. Ross, give him. You know, go reach me this night. He will say, give him. I greet you. You understand, guys? Yes, the truth must be told. Me, I go talk my truth. Oh. If I die, nah, God go no say yes, where they go now, better place than they go open for me. Not be like una. Era me ma bo, why me ma bo, me to be me bo. I me bo. Eruwa no bo wa vuri na. Aya bere ruwa je egbo dogo de. I can a man we go get us if he died, they'll go bury him for egbo dogo de. That one a life. Miserable life one they live. La. Ena ona change in Nigeria na. Eki ama say I better pass this one. This one better pass this one. Hey God. You know done. Hey Maya is coming, okay? Now those children they try to, you know, they call me. I hope I don't lock your hand. It's a low boy. Mona tell me, mo tell you why. Enata. Ima lock a boy. Maya gets to mama, okay? Didi gets to mama. Is coming, okay? Is coming, shati. Mama divine carry them like they come. Yeah, those children. They are my children. You know that? It's your man. So, now know what's happen. Nah, my daddy called me. Oh. As he called me, that's okay. Oh, that time my daddy said, Daddy, that woman where you say make me come join their group. So, that woman, so I don't do a lot of video concerning the woman. Oh. Now my daddy make me go my YouTube, go they wipe your video. Who you help you save? You don't bath. You don't bath. All the useless single mothers. You don't bath. Where your husband? They say you put her for prison. But you go come out, they tell the rest people, may they carry on. Carry on for what? Listen, if my papa, you want still married to my papa, we go forgive you, go and beg Prophet Atiti. Now they come, they misbehave. They say, Prophet Atiti, come they toast you for real, for seriously. He didn't toast you. You are the one dying for my father. Now you, because you they share your bekusi, you know see tell you. Mogo love you, they share your bekusi. Yes, the girl that call you mama. You are not my mother, man. Why person will not get brain, call bone back, who get brain? I mean suppose bone now. Not be go bomb me. You they talk, mommy skin, mommy we know ya offend you. Wow, he wants settle now. Together. Mommy's kid want bring you and Jennifer together. But you wama mie. Ereru wama mie. Elafu wama mie. The mommy's kid give what you waken wejena. Megi we video for una mwe video me. Mama no ritali. No ya masewe. Ima ya fe lenwe my dear sister. I lenwe because I lenwe no bon. Facebook iwe never do akbegu wenania. Mama no ritali no wero viena. O zege Facebook iwe ni go me level. How many things where that woman don't do for you, don't sacrifice self for you, they do good for you. But at the end, wait till you want to pay him. Wait till you want to pay him. I did the video, you never wait. May I write down my video finish. You come out, they talk about my video. Are you stupid? Are you mad? Those people will be say, those women, Mommy's King, me, as we take day for gang, we run for you because you be daily human being. Walk back. Oh, no ragmo no re mi oro we gbe. Ekiana re. Unwisi, ekiana re Sicily. Uriye. We go gwana, no when you mugu love. Imasa me you no time back and re. Let me when tell una say I go fit deal with una. Carry me go babalawo. Babalawo tell you say me say vai babalawo one boy. Udewu. Betu wajungwa biye kwe mi. Why luerere? And Nigeria omwere. Nigeria carry fire. Na fire. People they die every day. We not fit sit down more reason. More say okay, let's fight. You see, come out they do saga, you stupid. Now me, you want to find your viewers, so go boa. Or go viewers way. I have viewers in a be mark on view here. Who are they? Who are bet who are fiang over the never. Are you guys stupid? Just less viewers. We go see better to an office that me not talk the read word. Who you can't they sort now? You they sort the one where they tell you they sort Mommy's King, I been a where. I been a me or na my daddy. Hey! Wa if you beg me, on if you beg it, I'm a gualo igbo. If I find you, if I put my 2 knee for ground, then I cry subito, you will die. No try me. Walk boy. See those useless people. I'm not gonna use night. In Nigeria, I don't wear. After all, I will never save you. I bury age. Upon no ya disgrace with social media. Mighty total no in egg boy. They talk about business. Which business? What did they call the magic tea they work? If they work now your belly be like bashoko. Magic tea they work now your belly be like bashoko. I can remember since when you start to they cook the magic tea for inside your kitchen. You go cook them. Put them for rubber. This is for today, this is for tomorrow, this for this. You go drink am, e no dey work for your body. Eh? E no dey work for your body, dey work. Your belle be like pashoko. Use your head. Use your head. Woman, use your head. Because already made a wa. Already made a wa. I don't wa happy. Because I went not saving the boy. Not saving that bench motor. Eh, motor ya fair. I can wa see I very only without a married them in that measure. See this one. Why not you? When my daddy introduced me, give you. Wait till you talk for the group chat. All of them that day they wash you now. Wait till you talk. Hey, me, hello me. Even about it, sir. Now me go buy Geshenk for you. Do you know what they call Geshenk? Now me go buy you gift. And I no go ask for change. I no go tell you say bring my gift back. You say me they fight for you. Do you know how many fights I fight for you? You know how many fights? Why I fight for you? We be saying, me I don't even know where the fights for they call you. You call me. Based on say I don't call you my mama now. And you call my head. You like my mama. You they talk to for you. They talk to my mama. You they fight. You fights for you. Guys, see me. I tell now. Lovely. I kill you. I bonnet you. When my sister. Eswe gbe. When mugu love for you. Because say fight, you have me fighting. You are not a real human being. You're not a real person. You're supposed to sit down, make the reason your life. Reason said that girl that called me a mother. Why the girl leave me? Why the girl leave me? Why the girl not do this one? Because everything you know where you're ta. Any your friend you know where ta. From A to Z. Every no Bavarian no way white no me no you have away mugulelu. Hey, I'm making away mugu say my sister. May I tell you now if you don't know. May I tell you? I'm making away mugu se. When he meje, hey, Nigeria me na kawa finye o. We bodo finme o. Aweti me la Libya na we Libya finme o. Wow, Nigeria. Na finye o re. Nigeria. Ijo. O me finye go ask them. Go ask my brothers. Finye. The very first fight why I fight for you. Wait till you promise me. Now so I want send you money. Oh, okay, wait till what happen. No, not be money first. I want bring magic tea call for you. Hey, my daughter. I don't get daughter. Oh, Piki were born with Tito. I don't get daughter. Oh, Piki were born with Tito. Everybody all the laugh. I make it gale wa. Easy get bo me. Easy get bo me. Mo give me le. Easy get bo he. Hallelujah. I play mugus follow you guys. You know that? I look up. Hey, my daughter, you know what go happen? You send me your account number. I go put money. I go send money to your baby. How much you want even send to my baby that time? 50 euro. Marry a 50 euro give family me a what? You can't very job but no money marry in Nigeria. I know if you carry 50 euro send go give them. That one na rubbish. When you want to do something, you do it. You understand? God forbid. Come carry 50 euro sent to my brothers who that my own picking. 50 euro. Don't 50 euro happy. Now I'm say my 50 euro must some yari eviki Nigerian man. You know that? Yes. Ina mugu. Mumu. The mumu they follow you. Hey, I go give it. Now you. I send you account number. Account number ni me send way. What's up way 5 your age. Hey, after 2 to 3 months, wa hate about it. We must send that number way. If you I shower if we po. If you we must send that number way. Okay. Later. Wait, that baby said they not the barrier was soppy. We want in the baby. I call it the send at the end of call. You miss every night. I began with beside be a dresser. Any hair I fit do one by myself. See, if I want to wig for head, I want to put another wig join this hair where I carry so. I like to be like natural girl because that's what they born me. You hear me? I like to be like this. If I want pull wig journal, now my handwork, now my work. I don't need to come they use money to they buy again. Now my work, I'll just sit there, not take me how many minutes. I'll do how many beruka months, man. Now me want to they learn for Europe. Everybody get the way they take day for Europe. Oh. You understand? You say you want buy me, you my hair. Hey. Why are you so? If you go what time you? You say you want buy me, you my hair. You say you want buy me clothes. You say because the clothes why they wear. You say don't get level. You say I know they wear marker. You say the clothes where they wear. You say don't get level. You want buy me clothes. You where they wear 3 years ago clothes. Now you want come buy me clothes. Clothes where I wear last week. I can never wear it again, man. Now me be me. You see this room, man? I also clothes now full on. All that property, no, they pass only this bed and this chair and this telly. Now clothes full on. Now me be clothes. You understand? Girl need to do okay now. If my boy carry me go shopping, you know clothes where they buy for me. Not be she now. Better clothes, man. Everything there for wardrobe. Now every time when they wear, they come out for now. For waiting now buy them for me. Now only bra pants I take come out, girl. Listen to my voice, very important. You tell me every night, now so you want buy me clothes, now so you want buy me this, I know they dress wear. You want me to dress wear anytime, if not be mama for Italy. I foresee the fight, darkness fights they follow you because that fight you are fighting before is a darkness. I see they fight the darkness fights they follow you. They advise me. Mama advised me because there's nothing I will get from you. That is why I say my coming out for social media. I don't want me to give me super chat. I don't need una super chat too. That devil super chat. Super chat wanna take draw my destiny go back. I don't need it. I need better one. Now understand? I dey do video. Now you say me I bring lovely Eikioja come out. I bring her come out. I don't know say now this juiceless Mugu pastor where you where they Nigeria. Now you say me I dey fight love vet Eikioja for. I fight that one. But I come here today, can't tell that one say, if you still reason, I no concern me, I know they fear any devil. But I gotta tell you, say, I don't forgive you because your matter not be my matter. Now you and Mugu love. Now you face each other. I mean I face each other because I don't know what they happen for una country so for Nigeria. If I know what they happen, I know they do this saga when they do. Una call me for this saga today now. I answer una. You where they laugh so. Just hold on. You know, say I don't block you. And you will be putting bad comments in my video. Hey, I pity for your life. You, I pity for you. Yeah, I pity for you. And those will be say, I dey see you now. All those agberu where they do saga, they do saga, now they send that call for me. But if I dey do video, now not they send that go, they give them. If you now ever send me any video again, we go kill now. Don't do press up finish. Idiots people. Mugus. You come out. Today will be say many souls don't lost for Nigeria. You see come out they fight which fight. That one a rubbish fight now. You know where I dey where they send me the fights. You know where I dey? I dey say my bed here they sleep. Based on say I need to relax in case of tomorrow. You say my bed here they sleep. Now somebody send me your video. That's okay now, no problem. Let me answer you because me I no fear you. Play. I no fear you. I no fear your papa where don't die already. My mama passing your papa for where they did now. My mama they don't die long time, but now they ask. My papa, mama ask now your papa want stay. Based on say as it is day for life. Now say you go taste it day. I say don't die. Egu vesu do your bala awe avelele ila figure wabe life me no be ya oh now see any man need the changes in Nigeria because a life in Nigeria affecting money boom webo a life in Nigeria or affecting money boom webo they bring me money boom webo oh you come out they talk what do you want talk you supposed to sit down because when we at me man a battle where nah they show me video you show me picture where your papa for go where America or than London I don't know where he for go I don't know where your papa go because me never go America once before my papa mama died they don't go America now only me one day for Europe now I no still go America I don't even get family for America I get for the rest place I don't get for America I don't get for UK I don't get family that side where I forget family now even the place where you they live I have no less than 10 brothers and sisters there brothers and sisters they surround you for that place where you they live and if I want to fight you it no take me 1 second to know your address. It no take me 1 second to know your address. Yes. God forbid. What where you go? Efei, don't we your bring massa efei magele uwene. We mamwe nakedness in my fey. Mamwe nakedness in my. Ik be abun we mwe nakedness in my. We mistake yet or way at the ekunwe. Ik be abun no be nakedness we my dear. Ik be awa bun. Efei ma uwe na ya mwene emwe obu. I don't know. Mugo love. Bera is better. Mugo love because if you ever insult me, I swear for your family. If I run in town now. Go be like saying trailer way go jam una don't jam una finish. Now no try me. You know? You carry a yellow land that day everything spoil. You carry a yellow land that day everything spoil. If you want to do something, you must find me first. Say Avian Lily, I want to do this so. Now me they advise you. How can a woman I call my mother picking go the advice mama? Is it possible? Is it possible? See, you not keep bad comments for this my video. Hey, you not keep bad comments for this my video. If you not keep bad comments, as I talk and I not keep bad comments. See, those 3 witches why I don't wish death for my Facebook. They never reach. And I go keep to the wish una death everywhere because we are not better pass the soul way that they lose for Nigeria. So we are not better pass the soul way that they lose for Nigeria. And our rest in peace go be on our head. Yes, rest in peace and go be on our head. What's happen? Okwo ne me Okuneti reason, Okunometi totano enegbe. It's not a woman. Any woman for this world, when no fit sit down reason in life, is not a good woman. Your children don't they grow, and you they proud of single mother. That is the 40 why I tell my papa that day. I tell my papa say, this woman where you say make me go they make friend with so. I don't do a lot of video because I hate some video where you they do. Long time you have been doing that. Come and buy your magic tea. But eko woye nage. Eko ni amu ya heji. Yes, even beko. Ekwi me wakbolo. Yako me. Ah, inyawe mugweri ya na hine. Okay, muzia. Ade tu wakoli you we muzia. Tere sale. Ade tu wakoli call. Yako me madam. Yako me. Ekwi me kaka. Wawe ni kie wa. Memo ah. Ibiele igba vaye bie. Ime mo ko fu abe igba vaye bie. Wa we kie ko me we kie wa. Ga ko me eko. O be reduce ni. Eri okaje. Aba wo wu e. Wa anwe magic ti nu ke nwo e gagie. Ati tunujo. Wa kun magic ti ye ko. Tamiya no rueko. Ovia he rueko. Ovia he avazin. Avazin vuen e social media. Ovia he rueko. Ovia he. Aligi. Guys, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, there's a good shake for me. I need a good shake for me. Yeah. I love broad thank cushion. Yes. Is that right, man? Yes. I said no. I said tell na say anywhere. So I said I don't join now for social media. You see that man why I call my father, respect that man. Just take her as your second God, because the first God na there for her. Eh? The second God na I be prophet Atiti. Take her as your second God. Is your second God. If not be brain where that man use, maybe go for that fall for your victim. But if you still need my father back, you know the way you're saying boss me. I never block you. I never block you. Do I see my friend in Facebook? Do I see my friend in the, what is it called, WhatsApp? I never block you. Men I know say na very useless woman. May I tell una? I enter this woman life. I don't know how to open this page. That time, that beru, that granoma beer where it call itself, where it depend on government's money, where say they collect 6,000 euro every month for Germany. That gun. That gun where I go take unlikely. For real. I don't go take unlikely. First stand. I gun no my beer. Where that gun? I gun what do you? I can say ask me a day so. What's you worry this? No cut to you no go good. I got no my beer. Ask me a day so. You are proud. This one proud of himself. Nana. What do you tell me? You tell me say me I no mad the woman. You tell me. That is what you told me. You say you go help me. May I open the page. Since I got no my beer with me, I walk your page. Ege ise na ya ki page wa hai. Where me ya ki page me ya. Hey. Wa hai. You say, nah, I don't dey fight for you. You go love me, I dey fight for you too. Me, I dey do it for you. You damn mug of way make my YouTube no grow again. I don't even want me the YouTube grow. Me no grow again. I go dey fight una for you. Me not block here. Me not do YouTube make I go because now wasting of time. It's like the thing they waste my credit. It they waste my internet way. I know they do that one again. I fight you here. Let's die here. I fight you here. Our bill. I was in the social media. Why me on not tell what I'm aware? Hey, Aviele is here to talk. I not come here, come the parabolate. Just the way you guys are doing. I come here, come talk. See that talk? I go talk. Who you help? Who na help? What you want to tell social media? What you want to tell the whole world? Where they never know. Yeah. You tell me say you want send me magic tea, make my belly reduce because they don't already they write time for you say mommy love avialele your picky belly never reduce oh. You say you want send me magic tea. I write my address for you. You say you no see and where. Hey, I carry my plastic. I post it. I snap my plastic like this. I send down for you. What you tell me? I for not send that plastic. Oh, you listen. You don't know the way I take that document. You don't know. Ask me to get that document. Ask anybody for my ass here. That document why I send come for you. You know the way it take come. It be like a dream. All of them they sleep. Document just come from nowhere. It be like a dream. Me will send my plastic come for you. I know mumu. And you don't fit do anything. If I hear, you do no more than dead rats, man. you send me document, oh, I send me, address. I first send you the address, but you say you go school. You didn't see the address I sent to you. I send you the document. Yes. Government no say na me. Berege. Now cut this my video better. I no go die better if I cut my video. Maybe my video no cut, oh. May no cut because I already made what ton. I already made them mother na ye. Emma. Yay, have idiocy. Listen, may I tell you now? I dey do this video now. You are there watching me. And you collect my number. You now, may I just show your picture to the whole world. You collect my number. You have been writing me. You listen, you blah boy. You write me. The reason why you collect my number, you not call. If you call me later, Ogun go kill you, eh? Ogun go kill you, kill your papa, kill your full generation. Idiot people. Look at this Agberu. See what? Nah, man. May I block your destiny right now because I already met home. Me ma de okay. You want me? Wagbeo. Have idiot. Have a bon idiot. Look at this mugu. And they found one write me. Are you stupid? Go ask. Listen, what there for your country? Go ask your family. Say, how are you? Not me. Don't ask me, how are you? Ask yourself. Ask your full family. Ask your papa. Say, how are you, papa? Try to hear from them whether they don't kill them with gun. Now me, you want to come the ass off? For real? Wagbeo. Have a bon idiot. Now use my head, though. Use your head. May you not die. May you not die miserable death. For real. Adie Duka. Adie Duka. When mama, where they Italy, mama. When mama call you, where would they the group chat? And mama, who put us for that group chat that day? When mama call you, where till you talk? When mama call, they say, if you know what send the gear, have your little where you send the who we are die? Where iwa mia, we no yakwe, iwa mia. O wali beti ejibe agwa we na go. Omi wa agwa we na go ku. Okpo ni je. Igwa we na okpo ku. Okwo no so ku. Wa iwa mia. Mama wa ye wewe na. Ya he aposi wa ko ya we. Adien duko. You no still fear. The video where I make. Now you they answer. Now you they try to change. I don't understand. Your life they miserable, Mugu love. Your life miserable, man. You see those children, you have to give good life. You have to give them good life. They need father love. You see all those small boys where they call it climb you for your beds. They don't get any help for you and your pikin. They not go fee help you carry that pikin go school for money. They not go fee help you go collect that baby. It's only that man you put for problem. Only that man where you put for prison. Whether they don't live one and you have to go look for that man because of your children. That man need to forgive you because of the children. For it. Hey! What have you on a video or was that? Now you make me start to do single mother. Single mother. At the end of I single mother no wa. Eso wo igbagbon wa o heso. Eso wo wa zuwa. Eso ni wa depend the yige government. Uwa o wa. Uwa o wa. Mama abebo ya gba bebo. When me and you know that time. Yeah? What will you know that time? You go they say, now so you get this, now so you not get this. If you see where my father was living, oh my God, before my father died, he went to America with London. I'll be where he go again. You know, say me I not speak English. Oh. Yes. He went to America or wherever. He went to different places. My father is a big man. Oh my God. I saw the house of your father. I see the place your father died, put. But me, I not build that so. I don't build that. My mama no build, my papa no build. But when they want to die, they die for better ass. They don't die for that kind of ass. Don't be say by boast. They die for better ass, now they die put. They don't die for that kind of ass. That will not be ass now. If they will give me that ass, make me buy ass, me I did so I know they buy. You get why? I know they buy. Cause now I general coronavirus or more one in any. A coronavirus in a row one egg. Ogbo when ya we. Aba gbe. Aba fiokodi. Aba do. I see do. Oh, I see do. Oh, give me that do. I see do. Oh, baby. Can you give it to me, baby? I want me setty. I was shower. I will give me. Oh, me amu where ya. I bet we are here. Why we move where ya? Natana. Oh, when Natana. I'm wait telling Maria. Why if I dream say I see you for near my telly, the whole world go know say you be wish. The whole world go know say yes that person is a flyer. They fly for midnight. You get a wow. I they do video that they say they join you for it. I they join you. My sister, you supposed to sit down, make you reason yourself because you know say if Avielele come out like this for you, you are a goner. If Avielele come out like this for you, you are a goner. We are there protesting. We dey pray, make Buhari go one side. Now you from nowhere. Now you want come dey talk where people want to hear. Listen to yourself, my dear. You are listening to yourself. Listen to yourself. Say yes. If I bring this kind of thing come, our people want reason now because you know what we dey face now. We dey face a lot for Nigeria. We dey face a lot for Nigeria. A lot of people they are dying every day in Nigeria, man. Every day. What day for your country? You did there, they do saga. And now you want to get all the viewers where don't come on, leave you. I blame your viewers. All the useless viewers who not get. Useless viewers. Now that viewers, I blame them. Do you know why I blame una viewers? If you not see better thing, me now they talk put. Person wey don't put una for as in he don't they dream they say yes na so papa na this papa no be this una dey mumu dey follow am that kind person na una wan see start to dey mumu follow am una use una head wa gbe o ave viewers in egbe ma ho ava fiokodi ava tutu poyoyo ava shawo ni voice social media wa lu ereru gwa wa lue knowing you're a mugu love, if you still need Prophet Atiti back, you have to go beg. Go and beg because the man where I call my father, you know, if they follow useless people, they waka. People where not the reason where useless people, you can never, when I say never. Like, what's a woman they show now? What's a woman they show? Avaze. Ni voice social media. It's alright, no troco pare. You go show. God forbid. My people, the truth must be told. Me not tell that Mungu love. May enter. See this process what they do so. May face up. Say yes. We there for protest. We must win. Buhari. We go win. You know? We need to face them. But right now, what are we facing? Hey, problem. Because we not believe for saga. Yay, what? Yay. Oh, wani. Una wish. Una want use them, they distract. When I say distraction, you guys are distracting my video. Oh my God. I close my eye. When the time I will open my eye down. Now, una life, it go miserable join una. If una cut my video, I pity for no pity for una destiny. Just less people. See fights. I they do video since yesterday. I be since where the public take on. I they do video. I know they see viewers. I know they see who they share me. I know they see Who say I love Avialele? Only the ones where they see the useless people. The useless people will go come. Hey, Avialele, you not go outside, go do your. Hey, Avialele, why are you inside room? Who want follow you protest for inside room? Now you get my room. But if you see people where they protest, so I can't send now they come for me. If I ever receive any message, hey, if I receive, see that you will send that message to me. You and your family now rest in peace throughout this year. You are not try me. Hello? 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 Ma? Come on me. Ni mo ye speaker. Eh, ma mo yo, ni mo yo. Wutia. Egbede Devi wa me weme o. Efo ime me ive la we eteme. Nye me ive iye de nemi e worry ni de gbe ti we back. Ya mo ye speaker. Mama ni de gbe ti we back won. Awa tutu poyoyo. One make a video. Don't we guguana. After all, mama we live video. Meu, a daddy meu, a mommy skin you. Bet mok back and ya tita mi viagmo. Ovie no waru egbe ovie. Ovie no ru egbe ya ta mi viagmo. Iviagmo mo sun ovie no ru egbe. Awa tutu poyoyo. Awa fiokodi. Ave do. Do me, I do you. God not the best. Do me, I do you. God not the best. Do me, I do you. God not the best. Come in. God not the best. You say you want me to do live video for YouTube. I never talk that one. When I wait, I want receive call. Very important. For those who never share this video, now share it. Very important. Understand? Yes. Hello. Ni mo ye lafia. Ni mo ye speaker. Yeah. Your genius. Nekere. Na medo mommy. Mudia. Mommy, mudia. Mommy mugwe mudia. Where they worry? Also ni mena ladiana. Meme is then ya. Where is Talania? We gave no God. Because Okwore Nigeria. Only me faces is there. Mama, guy, no sunu no, we man we gwan la dian. Zenegbu mommy, guy, mommy nita mawe, nita mawe. Zenegbu mommy meka. Iwe no zenu nue, because me even we ya happy nye. Oh, when egbe ma ho nonia. Me even we ya happy nye. Ija eti me do de bawa. I can't join na. All the things where he say you want back on for me, ko. Igbina ya fe ni megbina ni yen wo. Eri ya de evu na e to ngwe. Me no me ti de you ma e negbu e. What do they you ma e ni me? Ukme 3 years ago, you they put on your 3 years clothes. Now me you want come back clothes? Me. Ija. O me na le la. A le mi no gbo wan. Why? Why you send the message again? They send the message again. You're not lazy. You send the message again where? Azo, yeah, Azo. Yeah, oh, mama. Gualadian. Te noru azin. Te venu ya epese. Ija. Ute nunuwe. We mate nunuwe. Ado arizine video ni meu. Arizine nini idioti u. Ado ablame we. Wete nunuwe mama. They are not going to see you. Okay, mate alone. Okay, ijwere wani. Yeah. Okay, mommy skigi wa we agwan. Any more speaker? Mudiao. More speaker ne. Oma let's leave yourself. Hello, Vijay. My menota. Yeah, no. So, are you guys hearing it? Yeah. Or too much, babe. Nobody can stop me not to fight this fight with Mommy Love anyway. So, Mommy Love, I'm sending this message. When why I bear the train station? Me are evoni no jeni ya igbo most of people know that so money never buy market will be now. You a platform and but you make up the make message in that. Yes, very important. No? But today we are talking around the message in the platform. You come for you. I'm going to show example. I'm sure you care, but when you love, I'm never happy when you are living in stay with me. My together. My sorry train station my phone where you last live video ya happy we share. Back. Please don't hesitate to send it to me. My WhatsApp, my number is on my page. Money talk show. My number is on my page. Please, if you have an address in Nigeria. Whoever that have Mugu Love address, Nigeria, oh, this place is living, oh. Guys, I need it. Because I don't understand. Yes, wagawa dwe na wo kwore Nigeria ko bi are webu. Go kware ya. Somebody here in general Balaga or Chile that was with her. Very long time there. A platform that is Mommy Love. Only what you so we get the motion. Any the two always say, your platform that and so only that always said, you want to go by you know, so that day I did my chair. So the way I but I think there was a second and the 3 step energy.
before I clean up the children, which you know, only I use their head, I want to be a person of the DJ will use their head. They didn't hear that word, you know, and I can't do it, and I didn't hear that word. So I really cut the story short because I have the story to stay in my own platform.
Yeah, very important.
Only Jennifer was there. When Jennifer was there, I was like, I'm chilling in this group now, and Jennifer is my only friend that I have. We want to accept because anything I do, I don't do a group now. Why Jennifer is not knowing me? So that's why you and Jennifer are what we have to settle before we do this group. And when you say me, I am not because she condemned me. Jennifer anyway. So you know, no, I have to see the piece is Jennifer. I will settle with both. So you know, the only one who have me, I should call Jennifer. So which I called Jennifer and I tried my best in that way. There was no response, you know, to settle. They never want to settle. At the end of it, I keep quiet because why this one, I'm not settle. I said, can I really not be another? Well, sure, well. The Jennifer side, Korea, maybe work out settle. But there is no settlement. There was like bringing it into me. I have to say. I did not say much. Yeah, I think. Hello?
Hello, mommy.
So, after set time done, okay, they say the dog man and you about Jennifer. About Jennifer. You don't have to say about Jennifer. Hey, you know, record the record the something they are very what you know. No, I'm here. Oh, my young woman, I don't know as you know, that is, you know, you know, you have. Yeah. It's like you put two things at once in your hand. One the river, they are cooking. One can come this fish, they talk about the drink like that. Yeah, really cool, you know. So I didn't know when you listen to them, when you go back, when you go to each other, they may Jennifer like the reactable. Then I back off on our own case. Never get nothing today. Well, since all these days, we did go everyone. She broke herself by herself because I don't call her, nothing, we have nothing empty covered. She's not like, no. Anyway, actually, we're good, not like good. So, but I believe the fit, you never go on. But any video she makes is all this one. She has been referring something to me. She has been calling my names, like the referring things like I'm Jennifer friend.
No, be only you. He they refer to me too.
And I've been waiting to see if she will mention my name. But today she just did. This I'll be coming to wait if she will mention my name. Today she did it. You know, I watched the video. She did it.
He mention your name, oh, the video before I come on leave that video just now, if you go if you do or no, my sister.
Just prepare and wait for me. Money the way I can make. When you buy you and me, or what go up and don't try to make. Okay, and don't how do you walk about answer? 70 or 7 or 14, what do you want better? Yes, what do you want better? Then you can have it. And I always become. That is all I have to say at the moment now. Thank you, my love. Continue.
Thank you so much. Okay, no problem. Later, me I call you later. Oh, mama, no go on. Hello, mama. So guys, now mommy's king night talk just now understand. Shey for those way they watch that woman program, una hear a voice just now say now she night talk. I don't know what happened to my phone and my telly. The thing no can rhyme together before it be they rhyme together. Me no can know what happen no because if they rhyme together before, I no can know what happen. What una do my telly and my phone? Do I know? Hey, I'm your toto. Hey. What here a mugu love down or ya what ya social media wa down or ya social media what's that oh boy I tell Bob social media what's that I tell Bob my affair no legal when no happy wo wake be na yes na na say na agbo on wagbo I say na agbo ko no lieke yo Nesa na gbo wagbo they say ya gwalo tenegbo because okwo no ma tenegbe is a gonna when we generally family we eru weke all iwe we your father love you so much my father love is only me one my father loves so much for seriously serious your father don't love you he hates you. Your brothers, Your sisters no one even they plan good for you. But you need to sit down, raising your life. Yes, you need to sit down and say, God, which kind of life is this? God, give me strength. May I take care of those children? How many children you have? And you see the prayer, single mother, we watch enemy, echo, we married Jews. I heard work, equipment, I reduce, not reduce, guys. Hey, about 2 times I don't follow 2 times. That is my stomach. Be yoko. Huevo, madam. Yo mani amwa kere yo eko. Be no imagine na ve maso wu. Salo ba me lego me don. Ido do eko me aro ve no jeni. Salo ba me wa misko. I me polo le bari me. Ikpolo de bago me. Wa luerere. Even ya fen we fighting nana. Based on I do video. Una not know what he climbed me that day where I do video. No, because me I felt tell una say I dey verse. If I don't talk with you, I want talk finish. My mind go down. You know? But that day when I want make video, I wish I see person where call me, tell me say I know say you dey verse, but you stop this thing. My prophet Atiti, my father, he call me that day. But I know answer he call. Maybe I for don't make that video. Maybe you now you for no say fight day for Nigeria. You Mugu love. You for no say people they die every day for Nigeria. You enter your page. Which kind of viewers you need? Which viewers you need? I know. All of us now. Nigerians. You guys are watching me. Many viewers where they watch me now about 252 view. Now I get now. But why they do videos since how many days now when I never do saga? I not see you share me. I not see people who can't view me. But because we not need me person and rage Nigeria for now. See Ashawo. Then we do dead the list. You go kill your papa. You know? Una no want me Nigeria settle. Because if you don't want me Nigeria settle, you see those who na page, who na tell they make whoa. Government they see the page is there. Government they see the whoa. Hey, Nigeria the full world they hear the whoa. Me na enter the page. Say God, we don't need police again. We don't need that man who call himself Buhari. That una president to that president. Me no know amo. We don't need that man. We don't need any leaders. All the useless leaders in Nigeria, they need to go down. Let another person climb. That is what we need in Nigeria. No, we're not going to talk about that one. No. Only the ones who are going to talk na saga. Let's do the saga together. You say me I do my saga for YouTube. You say me I do live video for YouTube. Oh, if I do live video, finish for you. You go send me application. What they do live video for YouTube? I call this woman low. If I call her, I go say, okay, give me 1 minute. I go send her. I'll call her after how many minutes? After hours. Me, I know they give 1 minute. And hours. I go call her again. You go say, oh, I just forget my love. Don't worry. I will send it. Don't worry. I will give one of the day where he come fit say yes. The day where he say he see me why they do live for YouTube. That boy the day where be that fake pastor where they don't know what they fight for right now. That fake pastor for Nigeria. Now he send my link to them. Because una always they share my link. Una no subscribe. I go collect una subscription because for me that YouTube no go carry the game. Me I don't abandon. If you are there watching, concern me. I don't abandon. I don't need YouTube money. I don't need them. I don't do okay. Now that I can send natural. He can call me. How you enter? This did I say? Na person send this thing for me because I supposed to reach 1,000 subscriber before I feel they do live direct. But right now, I never even reach 50. But I they do live. Because somebody sent the link for me. You know? So that got tell me since I take one. I know the person way dey staging on myself. If my own better, I dey want me another person own better. If only one person they eat, it no good. Now they send the link to you. If you say na lie, come at me, you swear with your papa grave. I said the link to you. Say, see the link where they use now. May you see try. Hey! May you see try the link where they use. Imagine. If I be bad person, that staging heart where you use with me, that staging next heart where you take follow me do play, I go use them for you. But at the end, okay, even this video where they make, if I want get that 1,000 subscriber, nah, I go enter the live for YouTube, and I get the everything there for my phone here. I go get them, but I no need that again. I beg my people. If you see truth, more they talk. This is no time for saga. This is the time to fight for our country. It's the time to fight. Yes, let's fight. They need the fight. That is say will be mumu. But right now we don't wake up because you don't say we will sleep. We are awake now. Let's rise and join each other and fight. If you cannot go to Nigeria direct, face your platform. Just the way they face one system. See one, those two useless Ashawo where they don't want to live for Ashawo road work. Because I know say if government come up for them now, we can't get better government, we get better leaders now. Ashawo go ahead for Europe. Those useless Ashawo, they try to distract my video yesterday. Do you see what I did to you guys? And now that rest in peace. People will continue writing rest in peace. Every day. If they no write, I will go carry on my neighbor's phone. I will use one commit rest in peace for your head. Yes. That one, if they say, hey, avialele, why are you committing? Why they wish person dead? Why not go wish person die? Now better pass the ones who die for Nigeria. Now better pass the soul. All the children will be say they never even know anything will die for Nigeria. You come to my page and keep useless comment. Hey, now rest in peace be your head. If you don't know now, hear ram. Hear ram. And it go there for my page. You can't remove it. It's only me one that can remove it. But you cannot remove it. Yes. That's the problem. Why can't you just... You come to my page. You see, I'm doing something you don't like. Fuck your ass, man. Get out. Get away. Move ahead. At least, if now only 1 minute video, you see, say person still come and say, he want join, he want help. Now they complain, say, I use something to paint eye. Wait, I take paint eye. Green. That dark green, we say, not be even the lights, so that dark one, green, dark green, red, green. Everything they okay now. Now so Nigeria can't be now because now green, red, green now. This no green, white, green. No. Nigeria now blood come full on now, guy. Yeah. You. Let me show you your photos. Let me show you. I never delete you. Because of the war we did for Nigeria. Now I make I never see come out for now. Oh. Now I make me. I never come out. Cause me, we create time, create chance, stay snap on a tester. Now the other phone now. And this for why I say they do live, so Oh, seriously, now the for why they do live, so do you know what will happen? Don't worry. Comment what you want to comment, no problem. Yeah, they come for you. They come for you later. Nigeria problem dey. Men are not they complain for who come out wear one jeans. You get out, move ahead. Who come out now? Oh God, we are. Well, you have a taxi where you don't go away press up for there. You see, somebody will just come out now with one jeans now. If I fit carry scissors now, cut them. The thing go short, one go long. You know that? They'll say, hey, see this crazy person, yo. See the way they come out. But all of us na crazy person. Nigeria na crazy person na. Nigeria, all of us na mad people. Yee. Now, not see you tell now. All of us will be mad person. Now many people come they change based on saying not be everybody want to remain mad for life. But now we are fighting for changes, man. Let's fight for the changes. Not you coming out be talking blah 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 blah. We don't want to hear again. Mugu love. I don't want to hear your voice again because I know saying this one I just small warning for you. My coming out again for you. You gonna dig the ground. I know Sabi speak your English, but anyone where I speak, collect time. Because say I've call you my mama before. But right now, you are not my mother. Understand eh? Dig the ground. If you don't get cutlass, let me know. Deep government ground, bury yourself, but if I come out again for you, you'll bury yourself, or you'll stab yourself, you'll die. Shut up. Sazito! Shut up! You na, whether na Monica they use you till they come here or na, they see they come for you. Egbagbo ma we oku we. Egbagbo ya because someone egbagbo ma oku, o ma we o egbagbo oku Facebook. Egbagbo ma we oku we bolo family of bolo ashawo. Avi ya inya neste ye eki okpa kan wi yan. Tami vi agbon Monica we no ro we tami vi agbon edena Bruce you o wese. We atagu we me we kia season na ya la ne a problem na Nigeria. Ava gbe o, avi idiot. Me wa we bu we dey. Ibu we dey, ibu wa ya fe dey, wa ge problem in my face in Nigeria. Wa ge ka end ne. Oriri o to ne, akin naje. Wa me, ava gbe o. Ava fi okodi. Avi bless you. Ibe said. He bless you. I'm off your God family. I will do. I see do. Hey, do me, I do you. Man, not the verse. I'm a want a verse. Man, no fee verse. You get where? I people go say verse. Man, no the verse. That's so. I like bill. I have your cody. Wala Diana, we get it. Me viagbon viewers in egbe ma oko. Una leave people where be say that they fight the battle for Nigeria. Una leave people where be say that they as in that they do life. Una no fit share the life for them, but una they share saga. Una they follow that kind useless woman that call herself Mugu love. They share saga for what? Are we here for saga? Yeah. Una don't they do the saga for donkey years. In fact, they never even born me. Una start to they do the saga for social media. But now, wait una do achieve. Upon all the useless money. Useless money where they give una for the social media. Una not use and achieve anything. You guys did not achieve nothing. Super chat. Devil super chat where they give una. All the mumu. Awazen if we social media. E Mugu love you no zuo. Egwa because we are gwa ya igbo. Ugwa we me lucky me reria no wejeni because me ave agwa lu we the way if I call my sister or I call my brother that day they are worship me. I have brothers and sisters in Europe here, but I be like person I don't even get because I want to hide my head to get why because you know na Europe we dey. I don't feel use now to take go they disturb my brothers and sisters so. Yeah. But if I need your address, yeah, ima when you feel like me, address you can what ye me phone. Luerere. luerere okwo no sunuve Nigeria nedo sunuve webo wa luerere o wa bajare ivie do wa bajare no we social media wa luerere no we mugu love umeya era your papa will die you no go look am the where they put am whether you don't do have you do the burial no because according to you say from next year you want to do the burial. But as you get money, you're not supposed to let that man suffer rich like that now. But if we say you never do the burial, try to reason yourself. See that make you reason. Say yes, the life where my papa they live for that mortuary so not be good life. You need to give one better life so that if they can't life again, you no go to suffer again. You know that your papa suffer for grand. He can't die. You see carry and go put for mortuary. He still dead there. They suffer. I bet me not use my head. Give that man good life. Only that bury. If you bury that man now, the next word again, they come. You know the family way for they come. If I no go born any of you again, you, go love. No go born you again because you talk again. Who talk again? Either way, where water me me, ere raja London, ere raja America, and salo boy me was the sale. Hey, that is my mommy. Eh, Ijavielele, Ijavielele. Where we are so bobo, Ijavielele. Hey, you were my stepfather, my father, the father that father my mother. He don't go for London, he don't go for America, he don't go all over the European. But at the end, Duko, why I can't see where your papa, where they even go greet them? Not be say na president send people go greet your papa. I just that day, I don't know. It's just like the poor water for my body. I said, Jesus. I call Mama. I said, Mama, which kind of things is this? Mama say, if I talk this thing, no. Why you go dey raise yourself? Why? When you know say you dey beg to eat, your family beg to eat. Why must you raise yourself? For who? You want to raise yourself for me? I will feed you. Year to year, I will feed you. I can never shake. Year to year. Do you know how many years my papa did die, leave me? You know how many years my papa, my mama did die? You know how many children where they take care of? I don't depend on anybody. I don't get black boy be say they count money they give me every month. But God, they carry me the waka. Because I know what I find on Europe. God, they give me that way. Say, my daughter, just they go. You see that daily bread where you can't find? You must get it. I laugh. The day where you say you want to send money to my baby in Nigeria. Go ask you. Mama, how much? Say 50 euro. I call her, say, Jesus, I don't suffer. 50 euro. Oh, vive. We not send a 50 euro note again. All time away with mommy. You don't have small money now. It's a small money, small cheeky change. Ask. 50 euro. Is that money? 20,000. Would that what? Even that time we say we never even reach 20,000. That time it may be 19 with that 10,000 for 50 euro. Then I call the class, say my mama, the woman I call my mother send 50 euro to my daughter. That is a child. You take care of yourself, man. Not you going outside, buy you go supermarket. Listen, all the supermarket they get size. Supermarket they get size. Like we get a lot of supermarkets here. If you go Edika, hey, you go Edika. If you carry 50 euro, you carry 100 euro, go Edika, babe. 100 euro, go Edika. Waiting go bring come out for there. No pass waiting. Then they show you something. Maybe you didn't know, say yes. You come out, they swear for your papa. Say worry you will say. I want use you now. Come out! Hey, you see this kind of sweater? This this kind of water. If I want buy, I dey buy almost 12. I dey make sure say yes, I dey get one for my house. See, if I show you, many. Not be say by boats. Me the pack and they come out receipt. Yeah, I'll just pack many. They come out. You know what they cost pesa? You go to Shiko supermarket, then you go do spesa. Just check this water. This Edika water. Ask people how much they sell this water. This Edika water. Ask people how much they sell the water. Just ask person. You are not living in Germany. You guys know people for Germany here. Ask people. Edika cannot be where they rush. Where picking they rush the enter. I don't say by boast. But if I enter Edika, not they shake. And they do okay. People will ask me, say, you get money. Oh, it's already enter Edika because I not say now there I go for see what I need to buy. I not feel say because I need cheaper chic or something. May I go buy what it go push me. No. That is why you see me at the suburb where they robust every day. People they complain. No, I don't need to complain because now I enjoy mates way there for my body. You need to join me and enjoy. Ask me, say, how you take get your own? I got to do your, I got to arrange your life. If I fit tell you few things, I'll tell you. I will show you many ways. You go with it call you say, and I saw Ijo. Oh, egbe wa me. He go do spesa. Listen, if you want to do spesa, you don't do that spesa finish. Carry the receipt. This one is just a chicken change. Chicken change where I take go buy water, I think 4 days ago. This is 32 euro. Yeah, for Edika. Edika. You look at it. Edika. Many supermarket full here. Supermarket will be say, this water nana 6 the day for can. I feel buy €2.50. A day. One supermarket here. I feel buy. That money why I say buy 10 water so if I can't enter this what is they call this leader supermarket. I go see a lot of change bring come and their water get the way their water take day. Oh, God go bless me because I know they lie. This one are their water. You cannot use this and compare. No, it's impossible. You see right there, this is €2.50. I collected it from my neighbor because that day I come from work. I don't have water to drink and I can't drink kitchen water. So I have to collect it from my neighbor. So the next day I went to go and buy my water. You see this water? Edika. You see this? Use your head. Hey, do spesa. Yes, you know how to do spesa before. You know how to do spesa. Your pikin want die for hunger. They want die for hungry. Eh? Tell me now. Tell me. Now me be me, my sisters. They not they use me. Forget say I they come they join them for social media. No me say you they watch me. No me say no. Listen, for those who be say they don't still see me for ground. They no say yes. I be person who be say I dey Jovia. But if he set, he don't set. I don't know my papa. I don't know my mama again. That time I will not die. If you feel beat me, I go to my house. But if you not feel beat me, 20 years coming, I go to deal with you. 100 years coming, I go dey through with you. For real. For real. I beg. Now I do something. Men I know what they do. We they talk about social media. Normal. Now this kind of time now, social media supposed catch fire because Nigeria now, war don't dey Nigeria. Now we will be the Benin people now. We will be the social media fighters. Social media fighters people now. Nigeria get problem. Let's do the saga with Buhari. More do saga with Buhari. For me, I don't know anything about politicians. Anything about politicians because my father, you know do politicians. So me I know the life of my own. My papa no go America once, so you know even go Italy, not talk to say America. I beg. I not change my story for my math. So anything about politicians, I don't know them. I don't know. That is why the ones why I know say yes, I feel still give, now they give. Because I know the country where I for come. I still come up for that country for long time ago. Hey, if I tell you say, on the 4th of next month, I will complete 10 years for Europe. How you reason now? On the 4th of next month, I'll complete 10 years for Europe. How you reason now? You all look me now say I be baby. You all say I be 27 years now. Listen, 27 years we be say no way to confine for Europe. Not be say by boss. Forget say they follow now they parabolate for social media. My family not they use me till they play. My brothers, my sisters, they're not fit use me play. I be queen. That is why anywhere where listen, you where they put comments so no problem. Put your comment. You know why? I've already blocked you here. I don't know why you are still putting your useless comment here. But no problem. You will see me later. That your pikin, that your baby where you newborn. Now rest in peace now one right to your head now. That one say, that the other idiot say he want report me since yesterday. Facebook want to block me. I dey wait me Facebook block me. Facebook no gree block me. Where what mutia? The one tell join you, join your papa, join your full family together. Just wait for me. You know that? Hey, 10 years you were 10 years you were here, 27 years. Thank you for the congratulations. Thank you. So 10 years after Larry Ashawo Molly, if I tell you my age, you go wrong. If I tell you my age, you go wrong. You don't understand. I don't need to come and talk. For my forehead, if you know say you be real Nigerian and Nigeria sound, they take bath you. They born you for that country where I call Nigeria. If you look my forehead, you know say yes. Not be that age. You be Mugu. Big moron. But anyway, those ones not finger me. You know me arrest me. It arrest you because you are the one that use your hand that put it there. It arrest you. But for me, it doesn't arrest me. Yeah. You are drop back video, back comments in my page. No problem. Mugu love say una come. No problem. But what am we are boy. Ya igbe mugu love. Igbu wa ya fe bae. Ame bion wani no eti. No here till the limit we stand. They never born that person. That person will go follow, will go say, yes, he want follow me with stand. They never born that person. Ask anybody. If not be the problem, you get out. If not be the problem, wait there, I go back ticket, I'll ball in your train station. I go stay there. Anytime we take come out, we'll die. Or one boy. We'll die together. Not see, I know the person where they talk, where people say no fit do one. Ask people. Sure, a lot of people when they watch me, I know where they live now. And they live for Willie Brand. If you have anybody there, Willie Brand, call anybody, call all of them. A lot of my viewers, you guys will not be friends of my neighbors here for Facebook. Call them. They go tell you say I be mad woman. We go kill your papa. Who damage your destiny, idiot? All the it not depend on your children benefit. See you where see they commit rubbish. You depend on children benefits in Europe. You want use yourself they compare me. Without they not pay you your children money, you don't feed. How are you going to feed? Don't just worry. I'm not going to reply you again. Let me reply the useless Mugu love. I'm not going to reply you. Do you know why? Hey. Later, maybe you go cry, meet some people where go say, Avielele, that picture you post, go and remove it, oh, Avielele. And if you not call me, may I go remove anybody picture where I post. You guys are gonna. I dey tell now. If not tell me, say, Avielele, go and remove the picture. Why you go there pray for person may die? I better pray for you guys where they for Europe, where not. The useless viewers when they comment rubbish. I better pray for you to die. That I can't pray for you to live. Where innocent people they die for Nigeria. Now you come here, they craze for my page. Are you stupid? Idiots, born fools, them muggles. Ereru wa magba. Beni miata, metani. Mugu love. Don't ever your life to mention my father's name again. If you still love and you want me to take you join body, you want me to take you as speaking. No ekwa ogewe because we give merere nia iyo salwa we give merere wa ona titi agba we imbosi me ya ti ye jamu wa eva kugbe or ya bege anywhere do atgwa atiti e come dey toast me I take toast you know how many people don't show your nakedness give who you show bekus you no go call fuck. I take toast you. Don't let me talk. Let me open my mouth because if I open now, you no go close. No close. I beg. I just go beg you. When you want to fight, fight yourself. Go fight your family for Nigeria. No join my papa name. Can't join my name. Join them. You no work. Mugwe. Okay, na say we na gban shi moto I na like moto. Okay, where did they no reason yeke because if you want to fight somebody, you don't need to reason back because that back where you the reason, you already shit for that back. You don't shit there. You don't know what they call isa. Unisa you want in who you come from front, go back again. It's like you are going back every day. They go back, one go the reason matter where person don't shit but nah, the matter go fall on you. It go fall on your head. Upon your head. Why me want not matter? Hey, o matter ma o ma ke no matter wa gbe o. Wa ke afia wu. Since we saga wa need ya wa ri enu wa. Owo betobe. Awa shawo. Awa fiokodi. Awa tutu poyo. Awe do me, I do you. Man not the best. Hey, man not the best.
Es macht, was du sagst. Und das schon ab 340,20 €. Google Pixel. Everybody love this.
This is the Nigeria All Star, so we gotta pay tribute. Force like that.
Give
Force like that on the list, cause it's okay.
Hey, Akbo. If you ask of every day, they need their papa. Everywhere. That is why they talk am. Now me talk and say, single mothers, you guys go and call your husband. Me I go call the father of your children. Yes, because see that black boy where they come they shop you. Friday come today shop you. Saturday come today shop you. Those children go think say that those black boys then I be their papa. That is why you see children where go they call another person. Oh, another person papa. You say daddy, where your own read daddy they for prison, or where your read daddy they for one side the car. Who put on there because of useless bekus, frustration bekus we go inside the end, they can frustrate the poor man life. Don't give you what you need now. Be said tomorrow not there. Hello, hello, mommy. Alright. Where? Okay. 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 Man. Okay, now. You understand, guys? Go call your husband where you lock for one side. Go release your husband. You release a vegan or java be washa wo. Sigo mother sin all wa we bu. Sigo gay. Yeah. Ibebu wate wa ave single mother si iko ni depend yige government ki gbe ake ya eke ano ligi eke ano tan is the tan la tan ba vie eke ano ligi wa me bla bo en egbe ma ge o ke life for go meti o ke family lo ga me we to o gbe eke azuo ave eke an egbe ma ho wa gbe o abozuo aba fiokodi message ni dey go na hin bon idiot bon mungus bon morons them. Now the message where I break up for now be this: you and your viewers, mommy, what we made, what way, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Yeah. What is wrong with my mouth? Why must me call you mommy? You don't know my mommy. You are a mugger. Mugger love. Do this mugger love. Mugger love. Mumu love. You don't still tell you mumu love like you be. I pity for no pity for that destiny. Useless people. Me like reason ahead. Reason ahead. Problem dey for our country. Any saga you want to do right now, do saga with Buhari. Let's do saga with Buhari. All those useless leaders we have in Nigeria. Let's do saga with them. Not you doing saga with your fellow person again. We don't want. I'm tired to be hearing sagas. I tell you, say all these sagas people, all those useless people. Now we don't make videos. It's where the problem can't start. When they make video, now not do the video where I swear the world say arrange una destiny after this protest. The world say arrange una e-tester. Me now wait for me. Me now just wait. Me now no rush. Wait till they rush for. I pursue you. I don't feel pursue you. Now me be me. I don't feel pursue you. Now hear me. It's alright, guys. I love you. Guys, share this video. May go reach Vera and Vera. If you reach Vera, Vera go send her to a family. May Vera send her to a full family. Go reach Vera, Papa. And You go reach Vera Papa and make Vera Papa send that to Mugu love Papa forever. You know that? May they wash me. I will idiot. I will born idiot. I will born Mugus. You guys are born Mugus. So right now, guys, I gonna leave you guys for good, not for bad, okay? I love you guys for real. So guys, tomorrow I will be at work at 6:30 in the morning. I will be at work, so I don't know the time I will be back. And once I'm back tomorrow, I will come over to this place to say no to police brutality, to say no to all those useless sass for Nigeria, to say no, let me keep doing what I'm doing, man. I no come today, I no come do saga. But this Akberu call me for saga. I say me answer them because not be only in one. Not be only in one. If we say which is there for social media. Now this kind of time, now they need to use their witch. If you read, say you they read a fly for midnight. This kind of time, now you need to use that witch for good thing. No. You not go use them. What you want to use them for? It's alright, guys. I love you guys. So good. Guys, if you never follow me up, follow me up. What are you waiting for? This Avielele. Avielele. Picky way not they shake. Or shakeable. Or shakeable picky na be. So guys, I love you guys for real. So please share this video. The more you come, God bless you. Keep your comment, good comment. When you keep a bad comment, you go regret why you keep comment for my video. The rest don't they regret. And my Facebook can never full. Wow, I'll take the right recipes for my head. I get another Facebook. If I share them with this, I go share them with this. Only me one fish share 5 times. People go use the wash now. Me not no try myself. It's alright, guys. I love you guys for real, for good, you know. Let's give our let's put our hands together. Let's share the love I begun, you know that. Let's show love to everybody, you know, everybody. Let's show love to everybody. Mama, thank you. Let's show love to everybody, okay? I love you guys for real. I'm not your enemy. You are not my enemy, but I hate one thing. When you see me making a video, you are not the one that gave me that time to sit down and make my video. You are not the one that holds my internet for me. You are not the one that owns my phone for me. Why must you come to my page and comment rubbish? Listen, if you don't want to watch me, you go to another person. Not be crime say you must die for my page now. Now my page you want there. Because once I don't wish you recipes for my page, it means say you go through die for real. You go your die through away for nothing. It's alright, guys. I love you guys for real. God bless you. For you all to be here today for me. And God bless you. And please, guys, not only saga they go dey share. Yes. I remember since where this problem take come for Nigeria, I be trying to make some videos, but I know they see my viewers again. I know they see people where they share me. You know, when somebody's making a video, you know they see people where they view and you know they see people where they share and it go make that person get tired of that video. That is why they see some video go be 30 minutes, some video go be 10 minutes in fact, some video go be 12 minutes in fact. But those people where they do those videos, they don't want maybe that 12 minutes. But now the viewers where they watch, they make them. But viewers now go see saga, now you they share saga. I tell now that day say for my page here, for this my page one for they watch me so. Me, I be get where they Jovia. You feel see many of my video there. Sunday will be say you no go like based on say you say I get big belly, I dey dance, I know sabi dance, no problem. But Sunday will be say if you listen, you go collect something inside, which is that thing will be say your man no see that time take tissue. Because me, the things, a lot of things, some things why they teach, you see I they pull some things till they miss them. Now the as in now the way my grandmother take care of me. The way my own mother take care of me. I wise. I get talk. Na me be talk. Unumena why I be my son na mani be Nigeria magwagbenia. You know, we dey talk, but we dey fear die. But right now, we need to talk and save our country that called Nigeria. All the leaders, they fear to talk. Now be the problem. What see they face so? I beg my people. I just go beg una. When you see somebody's making a video, try to share the video. Share the video, don't me say your credits go finish. Your internet go finish. Your share. Later, after the video, if you want to go and delete it for your page, you can still go and delete it. Behave that person. If it be say through your page, now government go tell yes that person cry. If it be say person where they do the live videos is there, nobody don't know him. Through you, only one person will go share and government go know say so person it dey for my country, they cry, need help. You are to do it. I greet all of una. And God will bless una. Showers of blessing. I greet una once again. Okay, guys. So, I just need to go have something. I have to go and look for something to eat. Then, I have to have my shower. Then, I need to sleep off. Because tomorrow is another day. You know, you guys, they praise is them, may I start work. Go and work, oh. Go and work, oh. And why you comment when you are winner? Ere life what they miserable. I dey show na my work that day. Now only grandi they wash, oh. Now this one they wash, oh. Ija. We only go na pay me grandi ni. I winner ni meridia winner. I winner Dutch na do majewe ne winner Italy. Who will now win on any company name a Dutch demand? Do you know how much you are going to receive? It's a good money. You understand? It's a good money. But I mean now, no wow. Or meme we veni yeje or my evun wow to wayeve guye guania. Overe avie wu no mamajo. Awe wu no joema. Edenok be bata no mama where ma wo biara hia ewu na wo ana avun a o no wa hena eti total no wa reason life wa wetin go fit do. Everybody get the way they take day for Europe. Now they tell now. Listen, I no feel what I no feel they say you now they progress, me no progress, me I can't plan, may your progress go down, may my own rise. No, it cannot happen. I know if you say because you are my friend, you they buy markers, and I have the money to buy. When I know say I get family one want to take care of for Nigeria, because they use my money to they buy marker for Europe. You know they possible now. Where am I going to put it? Where? The day when my white man carry me go do shopping, can the man use 700 euro to do shopping shoe and wears for me? I tell him give me the money. He say no. He say if he would use that 700, they buy me everything now. He go they see the clothes on my body. He go no say yes. But if I dey go in place now, the one way enter my mind now they wear. Even the ones who ain't buy for me, I know they wear them. Where I go they wear and they go. They go Christmas. I been a New Year they go. I beg my people. I just go beg una. There is time for saga. There is time to play. There is time to fight. But right now, we need to fight for our land. To make sure say, yes, our land, we let more get that freedom. Don't take what day for darkness. We need to wake up. Right now, God don't day for our back. He said, no matter any soul, we will lose. Nigeria must settle. This is not time for saga, man. I greet all of you and God bless you guys. And I wish you guys will see me tomorrow. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye.